Hello everyone, welcome back to your English learning session. Today we will practice phrases you can use when traveling by bus, train, taxi or plane. Let's begin. Let's start with asking for direction. Repeat after me. Where is the bus station? How do I get to the train station? Is this the way to the airport? Can you show me on the map? Great job! Now, let's learn phrases for using buses and trains. Repeat after me. Where can I buy a ticket? How much is a ticket to Phuket? What time does the next bus leave? Is this seat taken? Well done. Next, let's talk about taxi and ride services. Repeat after me. Can you take me to Downtown? How long will it take? How much will it cost? Please stop here. You are doing great. Here are some helpful phrases for the airport. Where is the check-in counter? What gate is my flight at? How much luggage can I take? When does boarding start? Fantastic! Finally, let's learn how to ask about different transportation options. Is there a bus to the city center? Do you have a train schedule? Can I get a taxi here? Is this the right platform for the train to Pattaya? Awesome! Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep using these phrases when you travel and you will improve your English. See you next time.